great day all around. Jill, can you just give me a second?
Just lay off the Bloody Mary.
I just gotta try to find the drinks. I don't know where they're at.
Have you heard the new Sam Smith album?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Nah!
Jeez, it's not that bad.
Ha ha!
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Get the puppy. Get the dog. Get the dog, pups.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
What are you doing in the Coca-Cola box? Oh my god, that's cute.
I want to go with you.
Dear God, what happened to your legs? Where are your legs? You're just a loaf.
Turtle cat!
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the. Get down! Everybody jump!
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Panda, say I love you.
Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Let's see. If I were a cat, where could I lay down if I wanted to be exactly where my human didn't want me to be?
God.
Can I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop. Hey, Bailey, let's show him our new high five. Hey, be nice.
Y'all thought y'all's cat was rude. Hold up, meet Nicki Minaj.
Nikki.
Oh, damn, girl.
We're all out of chicken. Go get the cat.
That was some good cat.
Wait. But first, let me take a selfie.
3, 2, 1, dance. Gorgeous.
Don't touch it.
Police coming straight from the underground.
No, get this cat out of here.
Dude, get the... Dude, need to get some food and like get the cat out of...
Oh my God.
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of me, motherfucker, you!